So I want to ask you one question, not about AI, not about technology, just one math question. We've been talking about Noctave, voice AI the past few days, how you can use it in your home cleaning business. And if Noctave just captures one call booking per week inside your cleaning business, just one, right? At your average job value, let's say it's $180, right? Ours is closer to 265 right now. But let's just be super conservative. One job a week. Does 499 a month make sense if it's capturing one a week? Um, right? And if you think about it, doing the math again, 180 a week, that's 720 bucks a month, probably more than that. That's 499 is still less than that, right? And we all already know, based on the math and the calculations we did this week and on the webinar live, it's more than likely like 4 or 5 a week or more that you're missing, right? So it's actually much more than that. And that number, 180, that's just the first time clean. We're not even counting the 6 months or the 12 months or the years, the lifetime value of that customer that they'll come back and get services with you. So we're really just barely scratching the surface, being super conservative here. But um, if it's saving you $700 a month to $1,000 a month or more, which it absolutely is, one of those customers becomes a recurring customer. That's $3,000 to $5,000 a year. So even if it just books one recurring customer for you that month, it pays for itself for the entire year. But really, guys, I just want you to think of that concept, the math equation there, and the math makes sense. If you want to be a founder, this is your last chance, guys. Again, we were opening 20 spots for founders for this voice AI for home cleaning businesses. And again, it's just about filled up. We've got about 3 spots left. So click the link. Before we change the price in the future, this is the founders cohort. So in the future, we are going to be selling this for $5,000 setups, $1,000 a month. And even at those numbers, it's just as undeniable the value that it's bringing into your business. It's just as undeniable the lead that it's capturing, the revenue it's capturing, and putting money back in your business. So click the link below. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys on the other side in the training and the community and getting your voice AI live. So I'd love to have you as a founder.